The best cheap drones prove that drone flying and drone photography don't have to be expensive pursuits. Whether you're a novice drone enthusiast or a seasoned pilot on a budget, these drones offer an excellent entry point into the thrilling realm of aerial photography and exploration. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the HOVERAir X1, a game-changer in the realm of budget drones that are set to ignite your passion for aerial photography and videography. Priced at a modest $407 US, it's a beacon of affordability in a market often dominated by exorbitant costs. But don't be fooled by its price tag. This drone packs a punch that rivals its more expensive counterparts. Imagine a companion that effortlessly follows your every move, capturing stunning footage without requiring constant intervention. The HOVERAir X1 embodies this dream, equipped with advanced AI technology that tracks subjects with unparalleled precision. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or embarking on a family adventure, this drone seamlessly integrates into your experience, elevating it to new heights of excitement. But it's not just about functionality. The HOVERAir X1 boasts a user-friendly design that's refreshingly intuitive. With just a few simple commands, it springs into action, guided by your gestures and voice commands. Its innovative safety features, including a protective cage design, offer peace of mind, allowing you to focus on creating unforgettable memories. In essence, the HOVERAir X1 isn't just a drone. It's a trusted companion, an angel on your shoulder that empowers you to unleash your creativity. Step into the world of aerial adventure with the DJI Mini 2 SE, crowned as the number 4 best budget drone. As you hold its sleek frame weighing just 249 grams, emotions swell with anticipation. This isn't just a drone, it's a gateway to capturing moments from a perspective you've never imagined. Despite its budget status, the Mini 2 SE stands tall with specifications that rival its higher-priced counterparts. With 2.7K at 30 FPS video resolution and the resolution of a 12-megapixel still, every shot is imbued with cinematic charm. The 3-axis stabilized gimbal promises smooth, enchanting footage, while the top-notch radio remote controller ensures seamless connectivity with minimal latency, ensuring you never miss a moment. But it's not just about specs, it's about the experience. As the drone effortlessly hovers in the air, guided by GPS, you feel a sense of liberation. The quick-shot modes add a touch of magic, letting the drone choreograph captivating shots with ease. And when it's time to return, the drone's landing sensor ensures a gentle touchdown, leaving you in awe of its precision. In the heart of this technological marvel lies DJI's commitment to innovation. From raw capabilities to panoramic vistas, every feature reflects a dedication to empowering photographers, priced at a modest $299 US. In the realm of drones where soaring aspirations meet fiscal realities, the Holystone HS720E stands tall as a beacon of promise, offering more than just flight. It's a gateway to boundless creativity, all at a price that won't send your wallet into a tailspin. Ranked as the number 3 best budget drone, the HS720E emerges as a diamond in the rough, boasting an impressive array of features that belie its modest cost. This isn't just a drone, it's a complete package, bundled with essentials like a carrying bag and spare batteries, a testament to Holystone's commitment to customer satisfaction. With its sleek, foldable design and robust brushless motors, the HS720E exudes reliability and durability, ready to take flight at a moment's notice. Equipped with a high-quality Sony lens and advanced electronic image stabilization, this drone captures breathtaking 4K footage with clarity and precision. But it's not just about the visuals. The HS720E is engineered for peace of mind, with GPS, altitude sensors, and optical flow technology ensuring stable flight and effortless maneuverability. When the journey is done, its intuitive return home feature ensures a safe landing every time. At just $299 the Holy Stone HS720E isn't just a drone. It's an investment in adventure, creativity, and limitless possibility. In a world where every moment holds the potential for magic, the Potensic Atom emerges as more than just a drone. It's a conduit for creativity, a vessel for capturing the essence of adventure. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a cliff, the wind tousling your hair as you release the Atom into the open sky. With its compact design and foldable frame, it's not just a drone, it's a companion on your journey. Equipped with a 12-megapixels camera and 4K video capabilities, the Atom ensures every moment is immortalized in stunning detail. Whether you're exploring rugged landscapes or chasing fleeting sunsets, its 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage steady, even in the face of nature's whims. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. With PicSync 3.0 technology and a range of up to 4 miles, piloting the Atom feels effortless, intuitive, like an extension of yourself. And when the adventure comes to an end, Atom's GPS capabilities and return-to-home features ensure a safe landing, allowing you to cherish the memories without worry. Priced at $299, it's not just a gadget, it's a gateway to breathtaking vistas and unforgettable memories. Say hello to the Ryze Tech Tello, a beacon of innovation and ingenuity in the realm of budget drones. It stands as a testament to accessibility without compromising on quality. Imagine for a moment holding in your hands a gateway to the skies, powered by DJI technology, yet gentle on the pocket. With its 720p video resolution and 5-megapixel stills, the Tello captures moments with clarity and precision. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. As you launch it into the air, propelled by anticipation and wonder, the Tello dances gracefully, stabilized digitally to perfection. Its removable propeller protection ensures safety, while vision-based sensors guarantee smooth landings, leaving you in awe of its prowess. Yet, its true magic lies beyond its flight. It's in its ability to inspire. With compatibility with Scratch and educational programming language, the Tello becomes more than just a drone. It's a tool for learning, a canvas for creativity. Priced at a modest $119. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.